world watches for any sign of good news out of Japan this week. Share prices for most of the diamond producers remained under pressure since Japan is, after all, an important source of sales for better quality goods. RBC Capital Markets predicted that equities would remain weak near term as markets continue to digest that longer-term impact on diamond jewelry demand out of Japan and its surrounding marketplaces following so much destruction and loss of life. Now, last year's estimates placed global diamond jewelry demand from Japan at 11% of the total, just behind China and Hong Kong and slightly ahead of India. RBC concluded that if Japan can stabilize its reactors without catastrophic circumstances and then move forward with reconstruction, the country would benefit from rebuilding in the midterm, but the group expects sales of luxury goods will be impaired for some time to come, which will limit Japan's demand for polished diamonds. In the U.S., all surveys point to a lot of economic optimism coming out of the luxury product sector on the supply side and consumer side. But there is no trickle-down effect for spending habits out of the middle or lower income brackets. Take a look at what Gallup is showing. Really, once again, this has been the case for 2 years now, no change in daily spending habits. You can see in the charts that the average 14-day spending figure per consumer was $67 this week, and it was exactly the same 1 year ago. But for higher wage earners, and do remember too that data suggests their incomes are rising while the rest of the population experiences no change or contractions, the trends point to increased spending at the luxury retailers in reviewing March data. Unity Marketing also found that increased spending among affluents really began in third quarter 2010. In the latest report from the New York Luxury Institute, analysts concluded that wealthy consumers have the means and propensity to spend right now, and they are not price sensitive, nor are they impacted by higher gasoline prices. The Institute told brands in their March Wealth Report to identify what drives a superior customer experience and execute on each of those points to preserve their ability to charge premium prices and command customer loyalty. The group's Luxury Consumer Experience Index, which scores top retail brands, ranked Bergdorf Goodman as the best for environment and personnel, while Nordstrom led with customer loyalty, and Brooks Brothers was the best at meeting shoppers' needs. Checking on mining news, group revenues at Gem Diamonds jumped 9% to $266 million. Profits up 43% to $36 million. The company achieved strong rough prices, especially in fourth quarter, with average price at $32.91 per carat due to the company's new marketing strategy, along with rising market prices and the sale of 3 exceptional large stones weighing more than 100 carats each. Here is a look at how precious metals prices performed this past week. For all the latest industry news, be sure to check diamonds.net.